Yeah! Oh! Yeah, okay. So, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and a subscribe.
All of that. So, I'm having a hard time right now. So, do you know what you do when you have a hard time? You fucking cut your own hair at home with craft scissors and you dye it black. You feel? And I stand by that. It's not wrong because it's helped me before.
Hell yeah.
How can it be wrong if it makes me feel so good?
That's what I'm saying, brother.
That's what I'm saying. I sound like an addict to dyeing my hair. Don't fret. Don't fret, guys.
Makes me feel good.
But it makes me feel
I
good.
can stop anytime I want.
I'm doing curtain bangs. That is not the middle.
Good try though. Good try.
Thank you. Okay, so like, if I go from here, that's not. Just wait though. Is that the middle?
That's good enough.
I love good enough. Good enough. It's on the side. Why the fuck is it on the side? Hold on, guys. Wait.
You just death glared them.
I wasn't glaring at you guys. I didn't mean it. I was looking at my texts. Huh?
Pretty solid.
Huh?
Like. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So tall.
Shut the fuck up. So he said make a little, I have cut my own curtain bangs before, hence why this is fucking happening right here. So I think I'm just gonna like.
We're listening to the wise words of Brad Mondo. We put him in the background and then listen to him. Now we're trying it.
He said make a little triangle, so now I have a little triangle here. You guys can see it, isn't it a triangle?
Don't look really bad. Yeah.
Yeah. That's, no, why? Guys, I'm going bald.
Shave your head. Shave your head.
Don't tempt me right now.
Shave your head.
Don't tempt me right now. I have scissors and a dream.
I have an eyebrow razor.
Guys, should we make a podcast? Comment down below if we should make a podcast.
I think we should. And here's my reasons why.
Or like a sit down channel, like a talk channel.
But it can also be used
As a podcast.
Yeah. So I think we should get a new topic. Their stupid ass topic that no one cares about, and we should just talk about it.
Look at my baby hairs. Like, who let this happen?
So cutie patootie though.
What the fuck? No, I'm just kidding. Thank you. I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding.
You know what? I'm confident in Summer's hair abilities.
It won't come out. It's not coming out.
You know, there's a sink right in front of you that you can put that in.
Oh. I can't twist it. Does it need to be twisted? No.
Why is it so warm?
Because I put hot water in it.
Why
Does
is-
this need to be twisted?
Why is it so loose?
Because.
We got it!
We got it, guys. It's gonna look so good.
Immediately.
What's that? I thought that's what I was supposed to. I should probably go this way, right?
You can do the other way and just immediately spray your face with it.
I know exactly what to do. This is the biggest comb that I can find right now. So, let me just comb her out. Yippee! Look at how bad I cut it last time.
Maybe you just got some extra hairs in there. No, it's fine.
Guys, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be a good thing. I'm really glad that I decided to do this right now. Never leave, we fall out of line.
Out of line. I fall in you. I think I like this little life. I think I like this little life.
I need to prepare mentally.
You got this. You got this.
Okay, I cannot do this with this comb. Wait, hold up. I found it. It's because I'm a professional.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just start right here. That's not even. Wait, what if I go this way? Yeah. Oh my god, I can't do it. I'm trying to figure out how to like hold the scissors. Hold on. I'm gonna throw up. Not really, but maybe. Guys, how the fuck did he do that? Brad, like, what are you talking about?
You're doing great. Hell yeah.
I can't get it.
Perhaps because this craft scissors.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it, guys. Just don't fret. Just don't look. And it'll be fine. How the I've done this before. And I'll do it again, shawties. Listen, if I wasn't already having a breakdown before, I am now. Oh, but wait. No, but it's gonna be great. Because then you take it down the middle. If you can see. No, that's not the middle. Is that the middle? No, it's also not the middle. Just wait. Just wait. Just hold on.
I'm holding on. Yes. That's perfect. Damn.
Yeah, so. Do you hold it this way?
Yeah. Why are you asking me? Ask Brad Mondo. Brad, honey.
Brad,
Help.
Brad,
Send
save
help.
us.
Brad, if you can hear us.
If you can hear me.
Save us.
That video of the man in the car. Hey. Oh, hey. Hey, how you doing? We're making a video. Do you want to say hi? Hi. I'm cutting my bangs right now.
I love that.
Thanks, Queen. So I think you hold it this way, right? Because then if I cut it,
Yeah, you hold it across for the angles.
I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do.
Yeah.
I keep getting scared. I know what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not awful at all. No, okay, no. It like
No, Shotty's there. We see her.
how much did I just do? I need to make it even. Shit.
Rewind.
Rewind. The fact that Zahara hasn't seen what's happening yet.
I think she knows in her soul.
Is that like even? Yeah. Yeah, no, it's even. Don't fret. Hey, Marianne. Hey. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh, there's a piece.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, so yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she's a pro. Yeah. So yeah. Don't never doubt my abilities. Yeah.
It's actually kind of cute. I
It's
like
so
Yeah.
bad. It's actually very
Because I don't like just like regular bangs. I like a little like curtain bang moment. My hair just curls this way. Why does it curl like that?
Kitty was shitty.
I'm also dyeing my hair right now. I have rehearsal in a few hours.
Oh my god.
Will I make it? No. Show Zahara. Tell Zahara to come here. Do you want to see Summer's bangs? She said. She's gonna be like, what the fuck? Oh,
What?
it's like,
No.
no,
No.
no, no,
No.
no, no. It's cute. It's cute. No, hold on. Let me. Hey, Queen. Do you want to say hi to the video? I just cut my bangs.
It looks really good. I'm
I-
impressed.
'cause
It
I-
actually does.
I do this too often to give a shit.
It's so cute though. Actually, I like that. I like it a lot.
It does look good.
Thanks, Queen.
I watched the Brad Mondo video, but then didn't listen to it at all. I'm like, okay, let's look for a ring now.
Like it was just playing in the background, and I was like, I got it. But like I've done it before. I feel like this hair is too long in the middle.
Try wait till it dries. Or
I don't want to, because my hair curls, so I don't want to like.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Just wait.
But I'm also dyeing it right now, immediately. So should I cut? Should I cut my actual like hair though?
No.
No.
Honestly,
Let's go watch another Brad
I don't
Mondo.
think you should, but I think if you got your hair cut, I think you would look fabulous. But let's watch Brad Mondo and think about it.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Just
Oh yeah, bye. Later, I'll show you these, I guess, some other time. Wow, they look. Wow.
The good news is the black doesn't stain anything at all. The bad news is the purple stains everything.